Sometimes parents say, well, my kid just flat out refuses to listen. Actually, it doesn't really matter what I say. I could just be speaking in another language and it wouldn't even matter. As far as I know, there's only 3 reasons that tends to happen. One is they actually feel like it doesn't make a difference if they talk to you or not. So why bother? That's number 3. They don't feel like they can trust you, so maybe they do talk to you and you come to some sort of agreement and then you break your end of the deal, or from their perspective. I'll give you an idea how that works in kids. They have no sense of time. I've got a nephew and a niece. I got a nephew, he's 5. I've told him I'm 13 years old for like the past 3 years. He still believes it. He has no idea like what time is. If I say I'm going to talk to him in 2 weeks, he doesn't know what 2 weeks is. He says, how many days is that? 4. That's a long time. He has no idea. So sometimes it's not that you're breaking their trust, but you'll come to an agreement like, okay, you're going to do chores for a week in order to get this video game. And they're like, yeah, I'll do chores for a week. And then it's been like 3 hours and they're like, can I have the game now? Like they don't really get it, right? So, but from their mind, they're losing trust. And then if they feel like you're just not listening to them. This is probably true for you too in your life. There's only 3 reasons you're not going to talk to somebody. If they're not going to listen to you, why? If you can't trust them, why bother? And if you can't change their mind, there's really no point anyway.